Chris Wardlaw with Auto-By-Tel, and this week we're driving the brand new redesigned 2014 Kia Forte. What we have here is the EX model, the top of the line, painted Abyss Blue, which is a very interesting metallic blue color. Now the Kia Forte is technically a mid-size car according to the EPA, but it competes in the compact car class against models like the Ford Focus, the Honda Civic, and the Toyota Corolla. Now the redesigned Forte is one of the best looking cars in its class in my opinion, and you may have noticed that Kias in general look a lot better today than they ever have. The reason is because an ex-Audi design guy is running the show at Kia these days. Now on this particular test car, which is an EX with the technology package and the premium package, you've got LED running lights, you've got great looking 17-inch aluminum wheels, you've got side mirrors with LED signal indicators and power folding mechanism. And back around the back here, you've got some LED taillights. The overall effect is a great looking compact car. The 2014 Kia Forte is available with your choice of two engines. My EX test car has the upgraded 2-liter 4-cylinder direct fuel injection, 173 horsepower. It doesn't feel like 173, and it also doesn't get the same fuel economy that's listed on the window sticker. This car is rated to get 29 miles per gallon in combined driving. I got 24. And that was with Eco Assist on half the time. Eco Assist is a system that is designed to recalibrate the powertrain, throttle response, and transmission shifting to increase fuel economy. Instead of increasing fuel economy for me, it just made me aggravated and made me push the accelerator pedal harder. Now, one great thing about the Kia Forte is that despite the fact that it competes in the compact car class, it's actually got a trunk that's sized like a mid-size sedan. As you can see, I have no trouble fitting a full-size suitcase in here, along with a single-seat stroller. And it's got a 60-40 split that you just pull that lever and the back seats fold down. Now, when you're ready to load, the trunk is so big, you can just toss your things in here, except for that stroller got in the way. And Kia makes it easy to close the trunk thanks to this little handle right here. Bam, done. So as you can see, I've been carrying my children in the Kia Forte, and there's plenty of room back there for kids, and our test car's also got air vents in the back of the console, which helps with the air conditioning and the heat. As for adults, there's enough room back here, but the seat's kind of low, cushion's a little bit short in terms of its height, so it lacks a little thigh support, and it's a little bit too reclined for my comfort. But as small cars go, this is pretty good. The only thing that I think they could upgrade is change that hard plastic seat back to a soft one. Now, if the Forte's back seat isn't very comfortable for me, the opposite is true of the driver's seat. My test car has the optional premium package with perforated leather with exposed stitching and a 10-way power driver's seat that's heated and ventilated. It's got heated rear seats, and it's got a heated steering wheel. Now those things are only offered on the EX model in one of the premium packages, but still, this is a car in the compact class under 25 grand, and it's got those features. So earlier, I talked about how this 173 horsepower engine doesn't really feel that strong. What it really needs is a turbocharger, and I think all of its problems would go away. And the problem is that the engine just doesn't make a lot of torque. Driving the car in active eco mode actually dulls the responses of the car. So if you go to pass somebody or you try to climb a hill, the car just doesn't seem to respond. Now, I turned off the active eco because it really got a little bit maddening. But the problem then was the fuel economy dipped. And like I said, I only got 24 miles per gallon, and frankly, that's just not acceptable for a modern compact car. Yes, I realize I said that this is an EPA-rated mid-size car, but it competes in terms of price and in terms of positioning against cars like the Honda Civic, in which I've gotten 30 miles per gallon very easily. My car's got flex steering, or flex steer, I think is what they officially call it. Basically, that's electric steering that gives you comfort, normal, and sport modes. Believe it or not, my favorite mode is comfort mode. That happens to be the lightest mode in terms of steering assist. And what I mean by lightest mode in terms of steering assist, I mean the steering feels light. It's also the mode in which the steering doesn't feel artificial. In normal mode, there seems to be some resistance just off center that doesn't correlate or correspond with what the wheels are doing. And in sport mode, it's simply too stiff and most people aren't going to like it. And I didn't find that sport mode really helped driving dynamics or driver engagement on a twisty back road. So my recommendation to Kia would be forget the complex technology and just stick with this comfort tuned steering. Now the thing about the redesigned 2014 Kia Forte is that it doesn't get the kind of fuel economy you're going to be expecting. Windows sticker says you're going to get 29, I got 24. That's a 5 mile per gallon difference, and that's a big deal to small car shoppers. Otherwise, this is one of the best looking cars in its class. It's technologically advanced, it's comfortable, roomy, big trunk. It's got everything you're going to need in a small car, and if you're looking at something like this, I highly recommend visiting the Kia dealership and taking this one for a test drive. For Auto by Tel, I'm Chris Wardlaw. We'll see you back here next time.